Hey class, good morning. Welcome back to part 3. And today's topic is farming of Palampur. Farming is the main production activity of Palampur. About 75% of the working population is engaged in farming activities, which includes farmer and farm laborers. The welfare of the farming community is directly dependent on the farm productions. So, to increase farm production, we have to increase farming land, which is not much possible because land is already used in many ways, like making of buildings, roads, factories, schools, etc. Only the land that can be used for cultivation is the wasteland, but that is also in a marginal way because wasteland is in marginal portion. Now let us discuss about how important is land for Palampur and how it is distributed. We have realized how important land is for farming. Unfortunately, not all the people engaged in agriculture have sufficient land for cultivation. In Palampur, about 1/3 of the 450 families are landless. That is, 150 families are mostly landless. Most of the Dalits have no land for cultivation. More than the half of the area of the village is covered by plots that are quite large in size, and those large size are used by a small amount of people. In Palampur, there are 60 families of medium and large farmers who cultivate more than 2 hectares of land. A few of the large farmers have land extending over the hectares or more. The only way that we can do to increase our production is the use of crop rotation or use of modern method of farming. What is crop rotation? Crop rotation or multiple cropping is a process of growing 2 or more crops in a single piece of field in a year. Methods of farming now. Previously, crops were grown using traditional methods like using of normal seeds, natural manure and old methods which are less expensive. But after the invention of greenhouse revolution of 1960s, the modern farming method started, which uses HYV seeds, modern technologies, intensive irrigations, uses of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. These methods are quite expensive also. But the yield of the crop is high. Yield? What is yield? Yield is the total quantity of crop production in a year in a piece of land. Okay, so what is yield? Yield is the total quantity of crop production in a piece of land in a year. Although the modern methods increase the yield, but it has a lot of drawbacks. People got many adverse effects of these modern methods, like using lots of chemicals has degraded the land production. Percolations of chemical water pollute the groundwater, and excessive use of water for irrigation and other process decrease the groundwater table in many areas. Farm production is also depend on how much farm a farmer have or how they use it. Let us see how cultivable land is divided among farmers in Palampur. There are large number of small fields as big farmers are a big farmer in small in number, and 50% of the farmers cultivate in small fields. Around 1/3 of the families in the Palampur are landless. These farmers do not get surplus production to sell in the markets, whereas the large field owners, which is of a small group, sell their production as surplus in the market. Farming requires hard work. So, after land, labor is the other factor. Here, small farmers cultivate their field with their families, whereas the medium and the large field owners borrow landless labor to do lots of field activities such as planting, threshing, sowing, irrigating, etc. As the competition is too much high, they do the work in very low pay. That is, maybe sometimes less than 60 rupees that government has fixed, or with a portion of crops. There is number of jobs to be done with the laborers, but there is no job security, so they move out to other places. Another important aspect is capital or money, which the small farmers don't have, so they have to borrow and take loan from the money lenders in high interests. However, 1/4 of the people in Palampur is engaged in non-farming activities. I have already said it before. That is dairy, small shopkeepers, small scale manufacturing and transport services. This is how the people of Palampur lead their lives year after the year. Now, let us conclude this chapter with the summary. Farming is the main production activity. Many changes in farming are practiced. This helps them to produce more crops. The land is fixed, but the pressure is more. New farming needs less land but more capital. 80% of them are small farmers. They have no capital and less production. They have to do additional work to feed themselves. Labor is abundant but not following new methods of farming. So, migrating. And there is one more reason also, as there is competition among these abundant laborers. They are getting very low pay and without security. So, they have to borrow loan from the money lender with high interest, for which they are migrating from the place. Non-farming sector is also not much large. The capital for that is not available. So we can say that although village Palampur is developing, but there are few more drawbacks or disadvantages which we have to fulfill to make it a developed village. This is the end of the chapter. Thank you, class. Stay home, stay safe, and be happy always. Thank you.